Hello, everybody. My name is Kyron Nebulisa, and I'll be teaching Validation Fundamentals course. Um, so before we get into the course details, I just wanted to go over our syllabus so that you guys have an idea of the expectations of the course for this semester. So as you guys know, this course will be fully online. There'll be 8 weeks in the course, and each week we'll have more likely a lecture. You'll have some readings to do, some videos to do, and about 5 out of 8 of the weeks will have tests. But you'll see that as we go through the weeks of the course, and I'll be updating you as we go through the course. If you ever need to get in contact with me, my email address is knebo662@cccc.edu, and more than likely the best way to get in contact with me is through my cell phone, 910-224-8469. Feel free to message me or call me if you have any questions. As I work full-time at another job and I teach part-time, so I'm not always on my CCCCU email. So the best way to get in contact with me is via my cell phone. So a little bit about the Validation Fundamentals course. This course is designed to introduce technicians and professionals to the principles and regulatory requirements of current drug, biologic, and medical product validation. We'll go over a brief historical overview of regulatory requirements, and then go into current requirements, user needs, process designs and control, qualification, and process validation activities. So this course is intended to give you a high-level overview on validation and what it entails. So I've outlined the course according to the units below under the lecture schedule. So Unit 1, today we'll go over the course overview, which I'm doing right now, and then start into concept of validation. Week 2, we're going to some more into concept of validation. Unit 3, we're going to regulatory compliance. Unit 4, process validation guidance document. 5, equipment and system qualification. And that will spin into Unit 5 and 6. Then we're going to structure of a validation program. Then we'll end with resources and acronyms. So a quick note, as I said, not every unit has a test, but units 2, 3, 4, 6, and 7 will have a show what you know exam. So just be mindful about that. And as always, 80% participation in all assignments are required to earn a satisfactory grade in validation fundamentals. So on completion of this course, you should demonstrate an understanding on the concept of validation. You'll have an understanding of the regulatory compliance needed to validate a pharmaceutical processing room or equipment. You'll understand the process validation guidance document. You understand equipment and systems qualification and how to implement best practices in your current pharmaceutical firm. You understand the structure of a validation program and how to implement best practices in your pharmaceutical firm. And then finally, you'll apply and interview with confidence for entry-level validation technician jobs. So the key is to give you that basic knowledge to be able to hopefully, whether it be process or validation tech jobs, you'll be able to get in those positions and the completion of this course. So as you guys know, Blackboard will be the source of material for this class. So everything we do, we do Blackboard, and I'm sure you guys are familiar with the Blackboard course. As I said, 80% attendance, or this course is online, but at least strive to get 80% or better on our business, and that's how you pass the class. The rest of this I will not go into detail. You can definitely go into Blackboard and review that, but I just wanted to go over the most important details of the course. So now let me pull up our okay, so now we are in the validation fundamentals Blackboard shell. And I just wanted to go over course content. As I said, we have 8 modules or units in this course. At the top, you'll see submission guide, orientation where you can find the syllabus, and then we're going to the modules or units. Today we're going to cover module 1, which is the course overview, and then we're going to the concept of validation. So today we'll cover what is validation, product lifecycle concept, and why is validation important. But as you see, as you go into the course, you see the lecture, which you can read. I'll post my video of this course where you can see it, and then we'll go take a deep dive into the lecture, and then if you have additional materials, you'll see that in the bottom, and then the test as well. But now I'll go into the lecture for today.